फिलहाल अब बहुत लोगों को पता भी चल चुका है, सब लोग जान भी चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार मैं उस पूरे इंसिडेंट को जानना चाहूँगा।
मैं अनुराग सर के वहाँ पे ऑफिस में गई थी फर्स्ट, फिर उनके बाद उन्होंने मुझे घर पे बुलाए थे फर्स्ट टाइम। तो मैं गई थी एंड हम लोगों के कन्वर्सेशंस हुए और फिर मैं आ गई। नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं गई थी तो वो ड्रिंक भी कर रहे थे, कुछ स्मोक भी कर रहे थे, और फिर वो उनके दूसरे रूम में मुझे लेके गए जहाँ पे एक लाइब्रेरी टाइप्स का कुछ था, उनके पास एक बिल्ली भी था। तो लाइक वो मुझे दूसरे रूम में लेके गए और वहाँ पे जाके जो भी हुआ है, जो भी अनकंफर्टेबल मैं फील की हूँ और वैसे सिचुएशन राइज हुआ है। उसके बाद मैंने उनको प्लीड भी किया, सर अभी नहीं, बाद में हम मैं मिलते। फिर भी ही वॉज लाइक ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस मी इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वे, टेकिंग पीपल्स नेम एंड ऑल। एंड जब he realized that it's not happening at all, then he let me go and said that next time whenever we'll meet, be mentally prepared, we'll have good fun. फिर मैं वहाँ से निकल गई। फिर उसके बाद से मैंने उनसे कभी नहीं मिली हूँ। एंड we obviously we had a little bit chat here and there, but that's it. And after that I never met. But when he came out and started talking about women liberation, women empowerment, this and that, feminism and all this, so I realized that he is telling it to the people and that is the mask that he is wearing. But in real life he is different, at least to me. I don't know about others. That is what happened with me. So that kept on haunting me. I said, like, when a person himself has done something like that, how could even he talk to people? So I tried even talking about it, but I was not been allowed by any of my family or my friends or my manager. I posted on Facebook also. Sometimes I posted on Twitter also, even tagging him. But I was being forced to delete those tweet and even the Facebook post. And after that, so I was quiet. And then I realized that I won't get into this because everybody is saying that nobody is going to support you because don't have any influence. You don't have any friend from the industry. People will definitely not support you because they get work from him, and he's not only a director, he's also a producer, so they get work on obviously, and that's very natural. Maybe I would have done the same what they're doing there by supporting him. So that's quite common and normal. So I didn't expect any support from anybody, but it was really haunting me, and I was wanting to tell it for a long time. So finally, I said it when a friend of mine from Telugu film industry, she said, like, she encouraged me and she said that you shouldn't be quiet, you should talk about it. So that is the time when I came out and talked about it.
See, it is already there in the knowledge of Rekha Sharma, National Commission of Women.
Yes.
Then when you planning to file a official complaint, or
Today itself we'll file a FIR, and I'm also in talk with, I'm talking with
okay,
Rekha ji as well. Uh, so this is update, and we'll let you know if everything like
okay, there
that.
are also allegation coming in. It is said कि इससे पहले भी एक इरफान पठान को लेकर आपने ट्वीट किया था, बाद में आपने डिलीट कर दिया, इस बारे में?
देखिए, ये इसके बारे में वो मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ है, मैं इसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहिए, इसके मैंने कोई एलिगेशन वगैरह कोई सवाल ही नहीं उठता है। जब वो मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड थे तो उसमें कोई एलिगेशन उठता ही नहीं है, वो अलग बात है, वो मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ है, उससे इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
अच्छा, अब आगे जैसे आप बता रहे हैं कि आप एफआईआर करने वाले हैं, तो क्या केस फाइल करने वाले हैं? अटेम्प्ट टू रेप, क्या मतलब व्हाट विल द
वो
सेक्शन?
मेरे आई डोंट नो अबाउट ऑल दिस लीगल थिंग्स, दैट विल बी डन बाय माय एडवोकेट एंड ही विल ओनली टेक द
अच्छा,
डिसीजंस।
रीचा चड्डा came in support of, she also file a, she'll be sending you notice very soon. It is already there in social media. What would be your reaction to
No,
that?
see, whatever that is her stand, but I didn't say anything, means that was not my version. That is what Anurag Kashyap has told me. That is what I said, what he told me. I didn't even know him, I didn't even know other girls also, I have no idea about them. So why shall I, when I don't have any, I didn't even know them anyhow personally, then why should I take their name? Who are they? Means there is no question arise of taking anybody's name from my side. It is him who told me, so whatever he told me, not about only them, about every word he has said me, I have spoke about it. So it was them also that they have say he has said about them. So that is exact thing, whatever he has said me, I have said about it. I have nothing to do with them personally. I just said each and everything, even the good thing he said about people, about the whatever he told me in these 2 days after I went to his house. So I said everything. I have no personal grudge on anybody, I don't know them anywhere, so how I am concerned about that? So I have nothing to do with that.
So the Richa, she instead of sending a notice or doing a social media appeal, it should be directed to Anurag Kashyap. This is what you're saying.
Yeah, because I didn't, why means why I will say he should go, she should go and ask Anurag Kashyap, why did you take my name? Because I'm a girl, I don't have such influential support. That doesn't mean I am the one who is talking everything, and because he is influential and he has launched them, so he is very good. They themselves might be knowing from their heart that what is the exact kind of person, and I don't want to, that is their own experience. I have just shared my
The
experience.
people, there are many people. Even you've spoken about his wife. His wife came in his support and written a long letter. What do you have to say about that?
So I'm sure like he's means
Arthur
when he
Jackson.
is such a good person, and she is defending him, then I think that she shouldn't have left him, right? If he was such a nice person, and I don't think a couple who love each other and having respect for each other will just live for nothing. And then his second wife, which was Kalki, she looks like more happy now. So rather than when she was with Anurag Kashyap, and she also left. So I think even if they were happy, they shouldn't have left each other. And now they are coming and defending, because they know they have to defend him, because that is how the industry works, and that is how maybe they have some financial connection. Also, that is no, again, I don't want to talk on that. But I just want to know, if he was such a good person, then why both the wives have left him and they are living peacefully after that.
There are other people who are coming in and defending Anurag Kashyap. Some people are from entertainment fraternity and they are coming in on social media supporting. What's your take on that? There are a few people. There are a few
See,
journalists also coming in.
See, because Anurag Kashyap is quite influential in the industry. He is a producer himself. His lobby is big. Like his kind of film he makes of middle budget film actually, and these kind of films, and the other his friends who are there, like they make such kind of films, and they have that lobby together. So when they're friends and they know each other, they won't talk in support of me. They will talk in support of their friend. They won't talk in support of me. I didn't expect that also, and I didn't know them also. So like so obviously nobody will come in support of me, so I don't expect. I have the truth with me, and I will tell that only. I'll be with that.
Okay, no, there are also report. It is already said in so many news channel. It is already there out. Anurag is paying because he's a hardcore criticizer of the central government.
I have nothing to do with that. I'm sorry, I have nothing to do that with any party, with any kind of I don't have any kind of political association. It is, I'm grateful to people who are supporting me, who are coming on and supporting me. I'm grateful to them. That is those are the people actually know the woman talking about some coming out and talking about this kind of thing won't be so easy for that girl. But if she has spoken about it, that definitely she is not something that she will talk about as such things in media and to the people for any small thing or for any other reason. So they know it, and thanks to them, and those who are like supporting their friend in spite of knowing that what kind of person he is. So be happy.
Kangna came in your support. What's
Yeah,
your and there are
thanks
other
to
people from
see,
Bollywood.
yeah, so people who are supporting me, who are the people who really believe in like a woman should come out and talk about the thing, that whatever has happened with her, and they're supporting because they believe in feminism. That is the reason they're supporting me, and thanks to them all. And thanks to Kangna also, because any woman from my point of view, if anybody wants to see, they will know the girl will just not talk about something so vile about anybody, and will make herself so bad to the people.
The last question from my end. There are also reports which is already there on social media. The girl who didn't remember the date. They're talking about you.
Huh,
So
so,
what would be
so it was not.
though you are going today, there'll be a it will be official thing. They'll ask you a date or month. So are you prepared for it? And what will be
Yeah,
your
so we have to
version?
just
What will
bring
be
out
your version?
the like they, because he was not my lover. Like when you are in love, then you remember the date you
Right.
meet your lover. How I will remember the date or anything
But
when I'm meeting a
this incident
director?
is keeps on haunting you.
Yeah,
But
yes,
it
it
has.
kept on haunting me, but it's still the perfect date, the perfect
Yeah.
year is, like it was very much within a November December kind of around because I remember even in 2015 he called me and he said like, why don't you join me for come to my party, holy party. So definitely it was within those months only. So but by month it's very difficult to remember.
There must be a call with record or something, you know. or
Yeah,
you
it
are-
was after that he blocked me. So you know, when you are
you-
blocked,
you-
everything goes. But I
Yes.
can retrieve, obviously, I think so. So and that is the police to do. Then they can easily, and that those are all. If they can retrieve all the messages, then everything will be clear. Then you don't have to ask me also.
If the same question is asked by the Oshira police station because you're going to file an affair, what will be your answer? You know, they'll ask you a date or something, or you know, they
Yes,
to put everything on
so
paper.
I will say I don't remember the
Are
day.
you going with your lawyer?
Yeah, so he will take all the decisions.
Your lawyer name is?
Nitin.